Now that same thing that I just talked about a minute ago, looking at the gold right here, this is the midpoint between the swing highs and lows. Alright, so what I'm looking for in here, get rid of the black line too. Okay, so what I'm looking for in here was the same stuff. We're looking for the price to go up and retrace, and up and retrace. And when it retraces and hits this 50% level, goes up and retraces and hits that 50% level, we want to either be going into or coming out of the oversold right here. That's when it triggers, it hits that level right there that you want to trade off of. Now, if when it's going down it closes right here and it goes into the oversold at the same time, that's when you trade aggressively and you can just buy it right there. Alright, even though it hasn't closed up yet, you can buy it right there. That's an aggressive trade. If you want to do it aggressively, you can do it that way. What I just did on this one just a second ago, I waited for it to give us the up close where it came out of this. It came out of that and gave the up close right there, and I just grabbed 10 ticks and it ran right up to the prior swing high. So in this case right here, it ran down. This was the spot right here when it started going back up. I jumped in at that point and I was looking at a minimum for it to get up here to the prior swing high, right? And I jumped in right here when it started going back up, and I took the profit when it got up here. I just took 10 ticks in profit on that when it got right up there. Alright, now with one contract, that's the goal for the day. With one contract, that was enough to get the goal for the day. 10 ticks on gold is $100 a contract. I have 10 contracts on, so it's $1,000 for me. But that was exactly what you're looking for, again and again and again. Now right here, you see it's finally going up a little bit higher than the prior swing high. So what we're looking for is for it to pull back down. And when it pulls back down, we're going to be looking for it to retrace. Well, this time's going to be a lot closer. The midpoint's going to be right there when it retraces. So what I really like to see is this move up a little bit more so it spreads that out. So the midpoint's a little bit, you get a little bit more room in there for it to move around. But that's exactly what you're looking for again and again and again. Okay, and there it is, moving up a little bit higher. So now, the way that this works is you go from right here where it came out of the oversold up to there. So what I was just saying a second ago about moving the midpoint up, there, you got a little bit more room to move around. So now if we get a down close on this bar, it's going to put us right here. A down close on the next bar will be right there at the midpoint. Alright, so if I bring my gold over here, let's just watch this and we'll see if it comes together exactly right. Alright, we're looking for the down close on this bar. That's going to bring this probably down to about right here. Okay, if we get the down close. It might go sideways in the overbought, but I don't think it will. I think it's going to bring it down. So we'll wait for that to happen. And if that happens, then it's not that point that we're going to be looking for the trade. It's the next one, the next down close. Alright, if it closes up, then it throws everything off. But it's possible that it'll close up, and that's okay too. If it closes up, that just means it's making a bigger leg length for us. Okay, so that's what we're looking for right now. Looking for the down close here, and then down close on the next bar. Alright, so there's the down close on the first bar. Now the down close on the next bar is going to put us right here at the midpoint. It's going to put us in the oversold. Oversold. Right there. So you just buy it right there. That's the aggressive long trade right there. Buying it just like that. Alright, now it's not looking so good right now, but the alternative is to wait for the conservative, but right there, stop going to break even on that. Now stop going to +5 on that. It should make it up here to the prior swing high, up here, 9.1. Alright, so I'm locking in +10 on that. That's $1,000 for me right now. Alright, it should make it up here to 9.1 right now, the prior swing high. Okay, +12, and I'm out with 12 ticks. And that was it. That is everything that you wanted to do. Okay, so right here I did that step by step. That was an aggressive long trade, buying it when it went into the oversold, because it went into the oversold as it hit the 50% mark right there. That's the aggressive. You could have done the conservative and waited for the up close, and in this case it would have been at the same exact place if you waited for the up close. But it went up and hit that prior swing high, and that's all we expected it to do. Okay.